Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video I'm going to compare two mascaras, which is the best. So the first one is this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and the second one is this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. So these two are best-selling mascaras, and if you are into makeup then you definitely know these two mascaras. This is the popular drugstore mascaras. This is the most hyped up mascaras, and sachi baat bolu to I love these two mascaras. So yeah, if you wanna know which one is better, then please keep on watching. But before I start this video, if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so मैंने मेरा फुल मेकअप कर लिया है. जस्ट मैंने अभी तक कोई भी लाइक मस्कारा नहीं लगाया है. आई फील नेकेड. Yeah, because my lashes are really short, so I really love these two mascaras because these are like voluminous and also they give me some length on my mascara. So whenever I don't use any false lashes, I go for these mascaras, and also these two are waterproof mascara. Okay, so on my right side I'm going to use this Lash Paradise mascara by L'Oreal, and in my left side I'm going to use this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, so that I can compare them. कोई भी mascara लगाने से पहले I'm going to curl my lashes because it is a necessary process for me, because I have the most shortest and straightest lashes ever, so I need this process. So yeah, let me quickly curl them. Okay, so the curling process is done. This is how my lashes looks like. Now I'm going to apply this L'Oreal mascara. Let me quickly show you the wand. So this is how the wand looks like. It is like it has like more than 200 spikes, I guess. So this wand have this wavy kind of shape to it, which is really great for your lashes. So now I'm going to quickly apply them. And okay, so this is how my lashes looks like. Okay, so it definitely give me the length, so it looks really spider like, and also it gives me some like volume, but it gives me more length than volume. So yeah, I definitely love this mascara, as you can see that. Okay, so I have nothing in this eye, so you can definitely see the difference between two. So this feels naked actually, and this feels gorgeous. So yeah, actually you don't need any false lashes with this. So yeah, this is really great. Now quickly apply this mascara, then I will compare them. Okay, so this is how the wand looks like. It is more like a fan brush. It don't have that many bristles, but the bristles are really soft and separated. So yeah, now let's quickly apply this mascara. Okay, so this is how the Maybelline one looks like. Okay, so there is a huge difference between these two. So let's quickly zoom you in so that you can compare them. So this is how my lashes looks like. वो मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा लाइक वॉल्यूमनेस लग रहा है. इट गिव्स मी दैट सेपरेटेड लैशेस लुक. इट गिव्स मी मोर लाइक अ fan brush kind of look. So the Maybelline one actually looks very full compared to these, but I really like the L'Oreal one because you don't need any like false lashes with these. But yeah, and also for the Maybelline one, I can say that if you want like separated kind of lash look, then please go for this one. I definitely love this Maybelline Lash Sensational so much. I have been using this like for 2 years or 3 years. So yeah, I definitely love this. But I also really love this. It gives me that length which I don't have. So yeah, okay, so अगर बात करें length की, then this one gives me more length than this. एंड अगर वॉल्यूम की बात करें तो इट गिव्स मी दैट वॉल्यूम, एंड ऑल्सो इट गिव्स यू दैट फुल लैशेस काइंड ऑफ लुक. And also this gives you like a spidery spikes kind of lash look. But the Maybelline one gives you like natural lashes kind of look. It looks more natural than these. So yeah, but I kind of love the L'Oreal one because it gives you length plus volume, but the Maybelline one is giving you the only volume. So if you have short lashes like me, then I definitely recommend to try this out. But if you have long lashes, you want some volume in it, then please go for this one because it is the best mascara for volume. So yeah, and also the price point is totally different. I know that it retails for $7.99 and this is for like around 500. So the price point is obviously different, but you can get this on offer. If you're buying any of this mascara, I highly suggest to wait for some sale going on, because on sale you can grab this one for 400, around 400, and sometimes you can get this on 300, but and also this one for 500. So I think मैंने सब कुछ क्लियर कर दिया है, but अगर नहीं किया है then please let me know in the comments down below. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope that this video is helpful for you. Please let me know in the comments down below कि आप कौन सा वाला मस्कारा ज़्यादा प्रेफर कर रहे हो एंड कौन सा वाला मस्कारा मेरे ऊपर ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. Please comment down below, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe and be gorgeous. Bye bye.